Attribute filters and similarity search in OWS. Quickly identify and track persons or vehicles of interest across your facility using OWS AI Analytics. Search by unique attributes such as clothing color, or make, and filter videos across multiple channels to surface relevant footage faster. Whether you're performing an initial search or selecting a target object to find similar matches based on appearance, OWS search enhancements empower faster, more efficient investigations in both live and recorded video. We will begin in the OWS video player. While scrubbing through or monitoring live video, you may notice bounding boxes that appear around people and vehicles. If you don't see them, you may need to click the menu button on the camera feed, then enable person and vehicle under the bounding box option. These boxes signal the system is detecting a person or vehicle. If we click on the bounding box, we can have OWS search for a similar person or vehicle either in the last hour, today, or within a few hours before and after the event on the timeline. After selecting one of these options, we're taken to the similarity result. We can adjust several criteria, including relevance. Lowering the relevance threshold broadens the scope of the results. With a clip found, you can export following normal export workflows. We can also use additional attribute filters when utilizing the person or vehicle search functions. The relevance function works the same as it did in similarity search. When filtering for people, we have the option to choose the top and bottom clothing colors. When a person is found, we can use the similarity search icon in the lower right of the preview to be given similar options we saw from the timeline. Vehicle attribute filter includes type and color options. Please note, this feature is only available with certain licensing tiers. See OWS licensing for more information. Thank you very much.